Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. Today, right now, is 10:30 Saturday morning, and let's start. So week start. No, this is Nasdaq chart, man. What's up? So the week started from the August 3rd, right? And this is one of the first trade, actually the first trade, Euro Aussie from 20-minute chart, and the entry was previous Friday, and I left it running over the weekend, and then closed on Sunday. So this is how it is. Buy orders right there. Yellow mark shows the entry, and then a sell move to break even plus. And this is the entry. All the setups are according to my, all the trades are according to my exact setup, which requires like 4 conditions. So once the conditions are met, then my expert advisor robot opens the trade automatically and plays the sell and all of that. So this is the first one, and let's see for 155 pip went up big time. Like I said, that is like 2 days worth. Um, the next trade is on the 4th, which was Monday, pound yen from 7-minute entry. This is the EA opening the trade. There's a little arrow here, small arrow, that shows the expert advisor open the trade. The 65 pip here. This one, gold for 150 pip right there. The entry is right there, buy order. And 200 pip on the 4th. Now, this one also gold from 500 box size, right? And that the small one, the previous one was from here, but I had also this one going on from the bigger chart, bigger time frame. This one is gold going down then again, right? A lot of gold trades because the forex market was very, very bad last week. But the gold was still moving up and down and up and down. So this is on the 5th, and then this is Nasdaq from I think it's like a smaller time frame, 10-minute chart. It's not a minute; it's the box size. Different box sizes for different Rengo candles, right? So they go by the box sizes, not the time, right? So they are not based on the time; they are based on the tick size, or the amount of pip prints. After that, then new candle prints. A new candle would not print on based on time. So it's something like that, right? So buy orders right there. You can see here, SL move to break even plus and 150 pip points to the upside. This one on the 5th, pound yen from 7-minute chart, 90 pip right there. The order, the entry is right there. And then on the 5th again, USD yen. When yen start to get weaker, all yen pair usually go alongside and then go to the upside, right? So this one, that's why you see that, euro yen and then pound yen and then USD, and they all go into the upside. 60 pip here. Yen was getting weaker. And then see, euro yen, 55 pip, went up on the 5th as well. And then gold again, dropping here, right? So this was the entry, but it got knocked out here, and then my EA opened another entry right there, and then it went down 135. And then this is almost the same entry from the other computer, from other account, my son Omar's account here. And then this is euro yen going to the upside again, but it's on the 6th, right? The first entry that you saw was here, right? And then I cash out this one here, and then this supposedly be a 20-minute chart entry. But my other 7-minute, the MT4 was open, and then EA was there, and then it opened from this 7-minute again. But usually, first entry, like it says here on my 40-minute chart, you can see here what happened is that after the turn, you take the first entry from 7-minute, and then the second entry will come from the 20-minute chart entry, and then you take it from there. So at least 2 entries I take each turn on the 40-minute chart. So we will talk about that sometime later. So now here again, euro yen, this is 7-minute. This is the first entry, sorry. This is the first one. See that here? From here, and then I just showed you that was where it go. This is the second one, and this one, this is right there is the first one. First entry here, second entry here, and then these two trade in euro yen. And EURJPY, by the way, because I had so many trades going to the upside because look at the run, right? My chart was here. That from here it's gonna go to this area, but then it went all the way here, all the way, and then keep going, right? So now maybe next week it's gonna drop, but it went up big time. That's why I had those trades. So this is Nasdaq 220 points to the upside. This is Nasdaq again for 290. I think that's the same trade going to the upside. I just recorded double. I recorded that, and then it went up even more, so I recorded again for 290. Here now, pound yen 20-minute entry. See, this is what it is. The first I just showed you a little while ago. The 7-minute entry was from here to there, and then it dropped. The 20-minute entry, and then it started to go to the upside. It went up all the way to the upside, but I closed it here on the 6th with 90 pip. Here gold going to the upside 85. And gold again from 200 BS. I mean, I use two different chart. They're slightly different, like maybe 5-minute and 15-minute chart, you can say, right? The regular 5 and 15, what's the difference? That's the same difference between my 150 and 200. Right? 200 is like 15-minute, 150 is like 5-minute or 10-minute, you can say. So that's a slight difference. And there's a reason for that. So I'll explain that sometime later. This one, pound USD, beautiful entry here, and then went up all the way 7th August, right? And this is on the 7th, gold going to the upside. And then this is gold coming down again on the 7th, right? 95th. So gold was like moving up and down and up and down a lot. Maybe it is topping out, and I have the chart made, and maybe it's right now. I think that it is in a ending diagonal, bearish one, and then it's probably going to drop. Next week, I'll be hoping that it's going to be dropping. So for okay, now on the 8 pound yen from 7-minute, you can see a beautiful entry here, went up to 75 pip, and then Nasdaq here. Now this one, what happened is that I was making noise, my EA. So after taking the entry, every entry they start to beep. So I just took it off, and then this SL did move to break even plus. So you can see here, but this is a classic example that this is how EA opens the trade. When it opens the trade, this is exactly where it places the SL automatically, right? So the order is placed with the SL. TP, I usually keep it open, but there is an option for the TP in my EA as well, right? So if you can set the TP that, okay, this much, like if your TP is here, it will go here and hit the TP and then close the trade automatically. But I keep it open and I see my daily range, and based on that, and I set my target based on fundies coming in. Then if I see that it is not going to stop at 127, but maybe it's going to 161, 50, 100 pip more, then I'll hold. It depends. But if there's a news that tells me that okay, it's gonna probably flip, then I'll close. Something like that. All right. So these are the trades that happened last week. Probably like, I don't know, maybe 15, 16, something like that. So this is it for now. And hopefully, like I said, that if let me see on my website here. So if you want the system, if you like what you saw, and then you want to be a part of it, and you want to get the system, learn about it, you can come on my website here and subscribe, monthly subscription. By the way, we add a couple of things in the monthly subscription here, which is also 6-month ad and then yearly. But what we added here, like new editions, like the free access to harmonic pattern course, right, which is separately sold for 200. But on this monthly subscription, even this one here, this program, you will have the access to this course, for as long as you have the subscription. Not only this harmonic pattern course, but this Elliott wave course, probably like 15 videos here, 20 videos here, and then tons of information where these two courses will change your trading style and trading, scenario. Lots and lots of information. Right. And of course, new CTS7 is already there. This is not an alarm. This is the robot that opens the trade and plays the SL, TP, and all of that. And some very good new features in there. My son Omar added in there. So this is also part of this subscription, right? And of course, you get all, every day I make the new charts for like setups, right? Like this one. So this is for the next week, and I post it here, and then everything. This is, let me show you what this is. This is pound USD, this one. So this is a very beautiful setup. It's a set, it is ready to go. If we make the turn here, if we have a reversal candle just like that, and then it's going to follow up like this, and this is what we're supposed to do. So this is what I teach to my subscriber as well, right? So after a 40-minute reversal candle, we look for 7 and 20-minute entries. The first 7-minute chart, what we do is that we place the EA on the 7-minute chart, right? After we have a reversal candle. So that is like a confirmation that it's probably going to drop now, right? So we place the robot on the 7-minute chart and make it short only. Only take the short entry if it presents itself, right? So when the entry is there, it will open the trade. For example, if you see that, it from here, this was, look at the time in the bottom, it's like 8-5. This is, it ended 8/16, I mean, sorry, August 6, around like 1300 hour, right? And this is pound USD, right? So I supposed to take a 7-minute entry from 7-minute chart, right? Right after this, according to this. So let me show you. August 6th, and after 1300 hours. So here we go. See this here? August 6th, and this is around 1450. You got the entry right there. That is the gain. So 40-minute, my chart, like a lot of them here. See, this is pound USD. This is the trade, but this trade was based on this gold setup chart I posted earlier, like this one here, gold, right? So it's gonna drop, and it did, and I took the entry. Pound USD is there. This one was a Euro USD. I said it's gonna drop, and this is also a good setup for next week. And this is a USD index. It's gonna go up, and this was. Let me see more. See this one? I said it's gonna drop, right? So I post this chart, and then after that, when the result comes, I post that result as well. That this is what happened. So see this one here? That's a lot of them. So every day I post these charts. See this one is supposed to be going to the upside, USD yen, and when it started to go, gave me the entry, and boom, gone, 60 pip. This is how it is, right? So like here, see, I said it's gonna drop here and then go to the upside, and it dropped, and later on it went up also, right? So this is how I'm constantly every day I make a video and update and explain the setups and everything, and post on the Telegram for my subscribers, as well as I post the charts as well, individual charts, that this is the setup and this is what we're supposed to do. All right. So this is it for now. Like I said, that if you want to be a part of it and get the whole system and all of that, then come here and sign up and start trading accordingly. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.